4 people perished in a road accident and more than 10 others were injured at Kariene along the Meru-Nairobi Highway this afternoon. The accident involved a lorry and public service vehicle which was heading to Nairobi.
According to Meru County Police boss, that is David Kirui, the accident happened a few minutes before 2 p.m. at Kariene in South Imenti constituency. The police added that 2 men and 2 women died, one a mother of a child that survived the accident.
The 7 injured occupants of the vehicles were rushed to the Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital, while some were taken to a health center at Kariene. The police could not immediately establish the cause of the accident.